Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk doing a quick tutorial on connecting to a VPS with DigitalOcean. So you can see that I have downloaded the PuTTY client in Windows and I've set up the server details already. So once you connect to it on PuTTY and then you put in your password, and once it's connected, the first command that you are taught to try is ls, which lists the files and folders in your directory, and you can see that there are no files. So why is that? So I will show you why in a second, but if you just type in cd space slash, press enter, and now if you type ls, there are files and folders in it. So what happened, the reason why there was nothing there before is because you were actually inside this folder right here called root. So if you type cd space root, that's where you were before, and that's why when you press ls in here, there is no files. But if you go cd slash to go back up to the top directory, you can now see all your files and folders. Okay, thanks for watching guys. See you next time.